To install the Strainrite activator strap, first of all you mark where the top of the strap needs to go. So this is where the wire is going to end up around there. So the top of the strap needs to be up 30 millimeters from where the wire is. So we can just put a mark here, and that'll get the wire in the right place. And put the strap on. Just match the top of the strap with the mark and put a nail in the back. Next we'll thread the wire strainer on the wire. Use it as an inline strainer. It makes a good electrical connection. There's no breaks. That's ready to strain up. Wrap the wire around the activator strap and tie a termination knot in the front. Grab the strainer. Keep a bit of tension on and try and get the wires sitting beside each other. Just before we tension it right up, to make sure that this is sitting square around the strainer, it's level, and then continue tensioning. That wire should be tensioned up to no more than 100 kgs for a hot wire, and it's just that quick to install the activator strap.